Yo, been a while. I got myself a package from Dominus Pomade. Let's see what's inside. To start, we have Nikuni, the cream pomade. Spicy, earthy, eucalyptus. Then we have the hybrid jelly pomade, Pendulum. Kind of the same scent. There's that like Vicks eucalyptus kind of scent to it. They smell similar, but I'm taking it that this jelly one's probably gonna be thicker. Like a cream just sounds like it's gonna be soft to me. No, it's pretty thick. You know, it's really going well with my haircut. It's fallen in a place where it needs to. It is pretty loose still though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm either gonna need some more product or just go with a quiff today. You guys gotta understand, I got super thick hair though. If I'm not using something extra heavy at all, this is what happens. Yeah, my hair just keeps splitting with this. It's not gonna do it, it's not enough. Let's add in some Nikuni, the cream pomade. Let's see if this gives a little bit more hold. That's actually a lot thicker than I thought it would be. This is tough. Okay, my bad. I should have started with the Nikuni. This is way tougher. So the shine on this is unreal. I can't deny that. These things got crazy shine, especially for being so creamy, so matte in appearance. So we're keeping a low profile today. I'm not getting great height out of this, but aside from that, it's not that bad. You know, the two together don't give me the strong hold that I normally need with oil. It's not giving me that strong hold that I normally get with oil-based, but that's the trade-off. So if I was recommending this to somebody with my hair type at least, I would start off with their Hades product first. This is their clay pomade. It's a high hold. It's, you know, nothing crazy about a shine, but that's the trade-off. But then I would actually just top it off with something like I just got, this Pendulum or Nikuni, because the shine on these are so strong. So there's definitely a learning curve to this, but eventually I'll make it happen. Is this gonna be my go-to? Probably not. Is this gonna be something for a special occasion on top of another pomade to really bring out the shine? Hell yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna use these for. So if you're concerned with more natural products, organic, something less harsh, you know, full of chemicals, I would really recommend this. It's all oils, it's all shea butter, stuff like that. Natural products. That's where they really shine. No pun intended.